Welcome to agriculture tutorials. Today I am discussing about classification of vegetables based on botany, vegetables, seasons of growing and methods of culture, botanical classification. All vegetables belongs to division Angiospermae. The Angiospermae has two classes, mono and dicotyledonous. Therefore, further divided vegetables into families, genus, species, subspecies, and botanical varieties. The grouping of vegetables, therefore, is as follows: Monocotyledonous, Amaryllidae, examples onion, garlic, leek, shallot, chive, liliaceae, asparagus, Rhaceae, Colocasia, Esculenta, Dioscoriaceae, yam, Monocotyledon group classification of vegetables. Dicotyledonous plants, vegetables, Chenopodiaceae, beetroot, spinach, palak, composite, composite, lettuce, chicory, convolvulaceae, sweet potato, brassicaceae, cabbage, cauliflower, cruciferaceae, Brussels, kohlrabi, Nalcol, radish, mustard, cucurbitaceae, all cucurbitaceae vegetables, Euphorbiaceae, tapioca, tapioca, scientific name, Manihunta esculenta. This classification of vegetables is much essential for all basic exams for theory and all as well as competitive exams. Botanical names in 1 mark they will ask in any government exams or in college exams. Suppose asparagus bean scientific name Vigna aniculata variety sesquipendalis. Gem Doricus lab cluster bean Siamiapsis tetragonobola winged bean Sococarpus tetragonobolus soybean Glycine max Menthi Trigonella Phonimerigium Euphorbiaceae tapioca Cucurbitaceae all cucurbitaceae vegetables Cruciferaceae Brussels kohlrabi Nalcol radish mustard Brassicaceae cabbage cauliflower Malvaceae okra bindi Polygonaceae sorrel rhubarb potato Solanum tuberosum brinjal Solanum melangina tomato Lycoperdicus esculentum chilies capsicum fruitensis pepper Capsicum annuum umbelliferaceae Apiaceae carrot Herschel Rutaceae curry leaf moringa Rutaceae very important bit curry leaf Moria Konenji vegetables based on plant parts used according to plant parts used for consumption. Leafy vegetables amaranthus, cabbage, pollock, fruits, tomato, brinjal, bendi, peas, beans, cucurbits, flower pots, cauliflower and broccoli, underground pots, stem tuber, potato, colocasia, root tuber, carrot, sweet potato, tapioca, bulbs, onion and garlic. The cultural requirements of crops in each group are not same. Tomato, bendi, cucurbits, and this method is also not much value. Classification based on the season of growing. Kharif season June to September. Cucurbits, brinjal, okra. Rabi season October to January. Cabbage, cauliflower, beetroot, peas, tomato. Summer season February to May. Brinjal, chilli, cluster beans, bottle gourd. Classification based on method of cultivation. This is a very convenient method. This fourth classification, 13 groups are there. Perennial vegetables, examples asparagus, Roxenia. Group 2, greens, spinach, palak. Group 3, salad crops, lettuce, celery. Group 4, cole crops, cabbage, cauliflower. Root crops, Group 5, beetroot, carrot, radish. Group 6, bulb crops, onion, garlic, leek. Group 7, potato. Group 8, sweet potato. Group 9, peas and beans, pea, pea, French bean. Group 10, soleaceous vegetables, tomato, brinjal, chili. Group 11, sweet corn, okra. Group 12, cucurbits, bottle gourd, pumpkin. Group 13, yam, tapioca. This is classification of vegetables based on botany, plant part used as vegetables, seasons of growing and methods of culture. Lecture number 2, horticulture, 181 syllabus. Thanking you friends. Have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Jai Hind.